Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lemonade Renters Insurance in minutes, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Lemonade Renters Insurance in minutes, start by visiting their website. Click on the Get a Quote button. You will be prompted to enter your address. Input your city, state, and zip code. Next, enter information about your rental unit, such as the type of dwelling. Select the size of your apartment or home. You will then need to provide details on your personal property. Estimate the value of your belongings. Lemonade will guide you through the required coverage options. Choose the amount of liability coverage you desire. You may also want to consider additional coverage for specific items. After selecting your coverage, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a password. Once your account is created, fill out your personal details. This includes your name, phone number, and date of birth. Review your insurance options and premium amounts. Make any adjustments as needed. After confirming your selections, proceed to payment. Input your payment information. Choose whether to pay annually or monthly. Once your payment is processed, you will receive your policy details. These details can be accessed through your Lemonade account. Review your policy to ensure everything is correct. You can also download your insurance card for quick access. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Lemonade Renters Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.